Namaste. Welcome to my new video on stretching before workout. What is stretching? Stretching is a form of physical exercise in which a specific muscle or tendon is deliberately expanded and flexed in order to improve the muscle's felt elasticity and achieve comfortable muscle tone. Benefits of stretching before workout. Firstly, improve your performance in physical activities. Secondly, it helps to decrease your risk of injuries. Thirdly, it helps your joints move through their full range of motion. Fourth, it increases muscle blood flow. 50, it enables your muscles to work most effectively. 6, it improves your ability to do daily activities. Please subscribe our channel.